Break-in? Not on my watch. SimpliSafe's 12-piece fortress is watching, so you don't have to. Still using that dusty old alarm from 2006? Might as well leave cookies for burglars. The SimpliSafe 12-piece wireless home security system is your digital guard dog that doesn't shed, sleep, or sass back. Packed with 24/7 optional professional monitoring, fast protect tech, and a brainy base station, it's built to stop intruders faster than your dog stops for bacon. Compared to clunky legacy systems, SimpliSafe is sleek, wireless, and smart home ready. Alexa and Google are invited to the party. No drills. No wires. No contracts. Just serious, simplified safety that installs faster than your grandma can say what's Wi-Fi. You want sensors? SimpliSafe's got sensors like Spotify's got playlists. With 5 stealthy entry sensors, 2 motion sensors that ignore Fluffy the cat but catch sketchy dudes, and a panic button that'll raise alarms faster than your toddler drops a glass, this bad boy means business. The indoor 1080p HD camera with night vision and a 120 degrees field of view means even your blind spots don't get privacy. And unlike some overpriced setups, SimpliSafe doesn't charge you monthly for doing nothing. It protects every door, window, and inch of your life, while blending in like a security ninja. Let's talk money. SimpliSafe is budget-friendly brilliance with no shady surprises. Starting under $1 per day for pro monitoring, optional, this system saves you money and lets you sleep like a burrito-wrapped baby. Other systems lock you into contracts longer than a K-drama marathon. SimpliSafe? It's commitment-free, just like your favorite ex. It even comes with a free month of Fast Protect monitoring, so you can test drive the turbocharged police dispatch without spending a dime. Compared to overpriced, overcomplicated setups, SimpliSafe is the smart, sleek security upgrade your budget and blood pressure will thank you for. Durability? SimpliSafe's tougher than a Black Friday grandma at 6 a.m. That base station has a 24-hour backup battery and 95 decibel siren that'll make intruders question their life choices. Everything's wireless, smash safe, and designed to last through tantrums, thunderstorms, and everything in between. This system is quality tested, user approved, and nerd certified, because no one wants to babysit their security system like it's a Tamagotchi. It's tech forward without being tech fussy. And since there are no tools required to install, your walls stay hole-free and your vibe stays classy. So, why SimpliSafe? Because break-ins are cancelled, honey. With instant app control, no-nonsense notifications, and all-in-one control in the palm of your hand, this is security that works with you, not against your patience. It's effective, elegant, and engineered to outsmart danger, drama, and dumb design. Compared to that ancient security setup your neighbor keeps resetting, SimpliSafe is the Beyoncé of home protection, smart, stylish, and always ready to slay. Want a home so secure it practically sighs in relief? Hit that buy button. This isn't just home security. This is home superiority.